Have you done for females? Show me the tree. Which variable is coming after female? मैडम ट्री कहाँ पे है? ये तो हमने यहाँ से ट्री नहीं बनाया। ये अपने ट्री बनाया। Okay. So after female, you use in female. How many rows we have? In female, we split standard plan with taken and not taken. In not taken, how many rows we have? So, madam, आपके डेटा में मिस्टेक होगी ना? एक बार क्रॉस चेक की 3 rows है कि 2 rows है not taken? ये नहीं होगा ना? यहाँ पे 2 है, तो यहाँ पे कितने होंगे? 3 होंगे ना? 5 में से 2 में से 3 बचे। अभी 3 में से यहाँ पे एक कैसे आ सकते हैं? What is the value for standard class gaining value? 0.8. The 0.8 was the highest one. Next, you got next one. The last one. Taken the spread here. Whatever we have done of understanding tree, how to make tree, how to read the tree. हमने अभी तक उसकी complexity नहीं समझी है. As I said, it will take 3 days to understand tree, only decision tree only. Anyone have difficulties how to read that? क्या प्रॉब्लम है? स्टार्टिंग से नहीं बना ले पा रहे हो या फीमेल के बाद से? I will open the theory notes, okay, which you have done on pen paper. I have done on my Excel. Okay. You say I will make the tree. Okay. How many found difficult to make a tree on pen paper? Raise your hand. Confusion नहीं मतलब समझा ही नहीं. जैसे कि इनको नहीं समझा कि ड्रॉ कैसे करना है, वो डिफिकल्टीज है स्टार्टिंग से. स्टार्टिंग से डिफिकल्टीज ऋषभ को है, आकाश आपको है, यू या नहीं? नीता नीता ना? निकिता सॉरी. Gayatri, clear for you? Clear for you how to make tree? Tejas? Online students, anyone have difficulties, guys, can say please. I'm just doing a recap. Okay. Rishabh and Akash, whatever I say, write on pen paper. एक जन pen paper use करो. Whatever I'm saying it. You write my explanation sentence for you. तो आपको समझेगा. This is for the people who have difficulties, not for everyone. Okay. अब 5 पर रुक जाइए. वहीं पर जाइए. हाँ. How many are absent today? Many, na? Okay. Point number 1, first we receive data. Second, we need to split. Splitting is done based on gaining. ये clear है आकाश? Is it clear for you? मैंने कुछ बताया नहीं, मैंने बोला कि we select gaining. How we select gaining? How many options we have? 4. Out of 4, you can use any one. Which one I'm using? ये क्लियर हो गया ऋषभ? Shall I repeat now? What guineas do, guys? Find the best variable. Now question comes, what is best variable? How do we get the best variable? So what we do, in our example, we have the x variable. ये क्लियर हो गया? अभी तीनों x में से हमें क्या फाइंड करना है, कौन सा बेस्ट है? So first I'll compute the Gini value for each and every x variable and select the variable which have highest Gini value. Just 1 second. Have you written in the sentence? Okay. On screen, what is the Gini value for bill? Okay. I've run out this. People who have difficulties, guys, can be on screen. People who are clear for you, don't look at the screen. Okay. Second variable which has second one is the Gini value. 0.63. Standard plan. Do you want me to teach how to do calculation of this number? वो आ गया, ठीक है. इसका highest value है. Good. So ये clear हो गया how to select the variable. So we selected bill. ये concept clear हो गया. Now Gini say whenever the Gini value for a level is 1, that become homogeneous. अगर आपको 1 रीड करने नहीं आ रहा है ना, तो ये देखो कितने लेवल से इसमें 3. कोई भी एक लेवल में ऐसा है कि सारे नो डेटा है और सारे यस डेटा है. लेस देन 600 व्हाट वी हैव, नो एंड यस. तो ये मिक्स हो गया. मोर देन 700 मिक्स हो गया. 600 to 700 एवरीवन इज नो. सारे नो है ना, और यस कितने, 0. मतलब ये क्या हो गया, होमोजेनियस. ये क्लियर हो गया हाउ टू स्प्लिट. This is 600 to 700. Now what is remain? और आपको दिख रहा है वो 700 लिखा है, आप 600 बोल रहे हो. हाँ ये क्लियर है, चलो कोई बात नहीं, ये समझ आ गया. अभी टोटल कितने रोज थे? ठीक है, 3 लेवल से 14 रोज. ठीक है, उसमें से 600 to 700 में कितने रोज हो गए? तो यहाँ पे कितने रोज आएंगे हमारे? तो यहाँ पे कितने रोज रिमेनिंग है? ये क्लियर हो गया ऋषभ, आकाश. नाउ यहाँ पे कितने हैं? 4 रोज एंड एवरी 4 रोज इज नो. तो इसका सीक्वेंस ऑर्डर ऐसे है 4,0. 4 is more or 0 is more? 4. And 4 is called as no. The answer will come as. So can we call this is homogeneous? Every person coming over here is no over here. So we call this is homogeneous. Now you tell me, Akash, and if I have to split, this is non-homogeneous. Okay. If I want to split, from where should I split? Should I split from here? नहीं. कहाँ से split करोगे? 10 से. How many rows we will take, Rishabh, now? 10. 14 क्यों नहीं? Because वो split हो गया already. तो remaining कितने हैं? 10 rows. So from that 10 rows we need to split again. How many levels we have in that 10 rows? If I go to my data, I remove this. ये 2 level remaining है. Question for you: how we decided bill variable, Akash? कैसे फाइंड? तो बिल का हाईएस्ट गिनी है, हाईएस्ट हुआ कैसे मालूम पड़ा? पहले आपने सबका इवैल्यूएट किया and you find the highest one. So here how many variables we have now for 10 rows? कितने x है? 3. So again you will compute Gini value for all 3. Whichever have the highest, that variable will be selected. Clear or should I repeat it? So now this is your second data where I have taken subset. If you count, this is 10 rows. That means पर गिनी का डेफिनेशन पढ़ो तो फिर 3 कैसे होंगे? मेथड अलग होगा, हो ही नहीं सकता। तो उन्होंने सॉल्व किया वो काई स्क्वायर होगा, which is J. अगर आप गूगल में भी सर्च करोगे, जिसने मेथड इन्वेंट किया, he has written Gini works for 2 levels. इसके फॉर्मूले में ही p स्क्वायर प्लस q स्क्वायर है ना, तो थर्ड लेवल कहां से आएगा? So we cannot split. You have seen that is called chi-square, point number 1, or you have seen entropy, or you have seen information gain. All 3 can be used to split multiple, except Gini. Gini is binary, 2 branch. Now third variable, I compute Gini value for all 3x. How much is for gender value? Standard plan. Who is best? कैसे फाइंड किया? ये क्लियर हो गया? Now looking at this, Rishabh, gender how many levels we have? They are homogeneous. होमोजेनियस है क्या वो? कैसे मालूम पड़ा होमोजेनियस नहीं है? परफेक्ट, नो में भी वैल्यू है और यस में भी वैल्यू, ये क्लियर हो गया। तो यहाँ पे हमने फीमेल ले लिया और यहाँ पे हाउ मेनी रोज वी हैव इन फीमेल? 5. हाउ मेनी रोज रिमेन्स नाउ? ये कैसे मालूम पड़ा कि 5 ही होगा? टोटल 10 है ना। अभी नेक्स्ट वी नीड टू फर्दर स्प्लिट फ्रॉम, सिर्फ मेल से ही करना है। हाँ, टेबल देखिए, मेल होमोजेनियस है नहीं तो स्प्लिट करना होगा, फीमेल होमोजेनियस है तो फीमेल से भी स्प्लिट करना है। ये क्लियर हो गया? Why I have made 2 branches? 3 क्यों नहीं? Because Gini will give you 2 branches. So capability of giving 3 levels. Now we take data of male. अब यहां से हम क्या पिकअप करेंगे सर? सॉरी, this is the data. Can you see 5 rows for gender? Yes. Looking at this, tell me which have the highest value. ये clear हो गया how we selected? We'll have how many levels? 2. Now in more than 600, less than 600, do we have homogeneous? ये होमोजेनियस नहीं है ना, तो फिर से स्प्लिट होगा. In more than 700 do we have homogeneous? Homogeneous हो गया. क्लियर. ओके. व्हाट इज द ऑर्डर? पहले 0 नो है और ये कितने 3 0 कॉमा 3. व्हाट इज द मेजॉरिटी? नाउ पीपल हु हैव कंफ्यूजन कैन आस्क. अभी क्लियर हो गया? The way we have done from male, can you do from female? Confusion क्लियर हो गया? Draw the tree and show me. आप फीमेल से स्टार्टिंग से ड्रॉ करोगे और फीमेल से कट करके बताओगे. क्लियर फॉर यू? तेजस, हम कब तक करना है? जब तक होमोजेनियस आंसर्स नहीं है. होमोजेनियस हो गया मतलब वो क्या है हमारे लिए? चाइल्ड. प्रोसेस स्टॉप्स. How many rows we have taken? Total how many number of rows we have? 14. 14 rows से कितने ब्रांच बने? 4 branches. ब्रांचेस समझ रहे हैं आपको? ब्रांचेस क्या होते हैं? The diagram clear for everyone? Now, Akash, you tell me what is the reason for over here no is coming? Why don't we have yes over here? अभी ये वैल्यू यहाँ पे नो क्यों लिखा है, ये क्वेश्चन है. होमोजेनियस हो गया तो नो क्यों, यस क्यों नहीं? अभी तो मैंने समझाया, पहले नो लिखते हैं फिर बाद में यस लिखते हैं. मेजॉरिटी किसकी है? 4 is more और yes is more. 4 times no comes, मतलब 4 नो ऐसे लिखा है और यस कितनी बार है? 0. मतलब यस लिखा ही नहीं है, तो पहले नो आएगा फिर यस. Whichever is the highest, that will come as an answer. This concept is called as mode. Should I teach you what is mode, guys? Again, anyone, what is the meaning of mode, guys? No है, yes है, no है, no है, yes है. How many times no comes? How many times yes comes? Who is the highest repetitive? तो मोड क्या हो गया? अब समझा? ये स्टार्ट है. We are using machine learning में, inside machine learning we are using basic stats every time. This is your, this become, we will take different color, confusion now. Root node. Why we call this as parent, guys? Okay, for the split zone. Okay, this is why we call this as childs. Homogeneous. Okay. Any question? मैंने पीपीटी में लिखाया है ना आपको? What we call meaning is same. Parent node, decision node. Meaning is same. Whichever you found easy, you can say in the interview. These are technical words given by the scientists only who invented this. So you can say terminal node, you can say leave node, depends on you. As such, कोई rule नहीं है. Sometime in the GD, when you receive the job description, they specify decision tree, they specify card, they specify chain, or they specify data mining. Meaning is same. Can I say mining means drilling down? Can I say in decision tree we drill down in data until homogeneous? Any question, please ask. Clear हो गया? Picture. I will make a tree now. Always, the person who asked me the question, your name, please. Imanshu. Always your first node will be your root node. Your first node will be your root node. The last node will be your child nodes, and the middle one is parent node. Anybody want me to repeat anything, guys? I'll repeat for you because I am going to come to the okay, third one. Moral jacket, t-shirt one. Just read the second last page which you have written. This one. I think last page. This is the last page you have written. Just read this point. Read very slow. Try to understand by yourself. Found difficult, stop. Okay. PhD का डेटा है वो जो आप सॉल्व कर रहे हो यहाँ पे भी डेटा में जीरो है एनी नंबर मल्टीप्लाई में जीरो है जीरो इसलिए वो कंप्यूट नहीं होगा on screen. So guys, here we say There are the key parameters of tree modeling. How can we avoid overfitting? What is the meaning of overfitting? अगर आपने एक्चुअल 10 रोज दिया और मैंने प्रेडिक्ट 100 रोज के लिए, हाँ करेक्ट बोल रहे हो लेकिन थोड़ा लाउड तो बोलो. But it is a classification task. How can we compute R square? करेक्ट बोल रहे हो. थोड़ा सा सिस्टमैटिक और एक बार रिपीट करोगे प्लीज. Okay, definition of overfitting is, what is the range of accuracy? ये क्लियर है. To check accuracy in linear regression, we use R square. To check accuracy in classification task, what we use? ये क्लियर है. Whenever the accuracy crosses, okay, more than 90%, this range is called the middle range is called good fit. Always the required model should come under good fit. But the creator of algorithm say, whenever you use decision tree, my tree will always overfit. It's every time he give you accuracy 100%, 95%. Accuracy 95% means, for example, take a scenario. Virat Kohli is playing a match. He's batting and the bowler is throwing the ball and he has to hit the run. Correct? Can you predict for every ball how many runs he's going to make? Can you predict accurately? If we do, then become Jannat 3. So nobody can predict accurately how many runs can be scored. Correct? So if a prediction 100% means whatever you are saying, that is only happening. So this should not happen. This is called overfit. So always the accuracy should come between 70 to 90. Clear? More than 90, business reject the model. Means for every customer, you are going to predict actually he's going to buy Amazon or not from. Can you predict for every customer from Amazon? They'll buy or not? Not possible also. Clear? This is benchmark made by the scientist. But some companies have a benchmark of 95%. Some take 90 is universal benchmark. 95 change from company to companies also. Clear? So creators say, whenever you use my tree will overfit. Overfitting means there is no limit set on tree. It will give you how much accuracy? 100%. On which data? 10 liters. How do we get 100? Because it keep on splitting until every one row will have one leaf or one child nodes. Imagine we have 14 rows, we get 4 branches. Okay. If you have approximate 1400 rows, how many branches? 14 rows ke 4 branch. 140 rows ke how many branch? 40. 1400 rows ke how many branch? 14,000 rows ke how many branch? Can you explain to business the tree now? They'll say, beta, फिर से college जाओ. Clear? So as your data increases, your branches will also keep on increasing. Because it keep on increasing because it has to give accuracy how much? 100%. That 100% accuracy is called as high accuracy. Clear? Now question comes, we need to control the accuracy. How should we control? There are two methods. One is pruning, one is cost complexity. Okay. We'll do pruning only, guys. Okay. In pruning, we have sub three methods. Minimum number of sample in parent node. Can I say parent node split? Minimum number of sample in child nodes. Guys, child node split? No. Maximum depth of tree means depth means branches. Guys on screen. How many branches I have? Four. If I say I want to make 3 branches, which branch will get cut, guys? ये branch बनेगा ही नहीं. Tree becomes small in size. Clear. I'll give you example. What is the meaning of bigger tree? Let me show you. This is a tree. Guys, I'm just doing display for the tree. What is the meaning of used tree? You want to read? This is at least slightly readable. If we cut more, become more better. Got the point? Yes. Now let's take a scenario. I'll draw the random diagram to explain you. Okay. Guys, R stand for short net. I'm just writing root node because I don't have a space. P stand for C for child. I'll give you time to draw. How many branches? 1, 2, 3, 4. Guys, it will be okay if I write in bracket C. समझेगा? Akash. What should come over here? Root node. What should I write over here? ये क्लियर हो गया? Abdul. Now I'm writing a row numbers, guys, just to explain you. Okay. Oma, don't like your phone. You want me to take it? Guys, we don't have any concern with number of columns because we work on number of sample. Sample means row. Column can be 10 columns, 20 columns, depends on data. We split with the ratio of, let's say, 600, 400. Here comes to be 150. How many remains? Here we have 100. How many remains? How many? Diagram clear, guys? These are number of rows. I specify in my condition. Okay. How many conditions we can write for cloning? 3. Branches, number of parent nodes, number of child nodes. How many branches we have made, guys? B1, B2, B3, B4. I specify, this should clear for you. I specify I need 3 branches. So guys, the process will stop. You have to stop with that. So now this is parent node or this will remain as child nodes? Child nodes. Ye clear ho gaya? Can I say we cut the tree? Logic clear. Next one. Number of sample in parent node. I say every person who wants to become a parent should have 200 minimum sample. This parent node have 200. This has minimum 200. More than 200. More than 200. More than or equal to 200. Minimum has to be 200. This, no. So all are possible except 180. This is not possible. So the tree will get cut. Ye clear ho gaya? Shall I repeat? Next one. We have child nodes. I specify every person who wants to become a child node should have minimum, let's say, 180 or minimum 150. $150 is there? Yes. 150? Not there? Okay. So what happened? ये split ही नहीं होगा. एक ब्रांच नहीं बनते ना, 2 ब्रांच बनते हैं, तो ब्रांच बनेंगे ही नहीं. Can I say we cut the tree? Next. This is more than 150. This one. Tree becomes small in size. Easy to read. Easy to explain. This is called pruning. ये clear हो गया? Step number 1. We done. We have 5 steps. First step is we have taken this combinations. So my question for you guys, who decide this combination? ये कैसे decide किया? How we taken as random. If I've taken one combination, can I try different combination also? 2, 180, 50, possible? अगर हमने फर्स्ट कॉम्बिनेशन ट्राई किया और हमने मॉडल को रन किया, hypothetical situation, guys, we get accuracy as, let's say, prior this tree is giving how much accuracy? 100%. Now, when I do the pruning part, I got this accuracy, let's say example as 92% or 72%. ये clear हो गया? I tried second combination. Who will decide this combination? We will decide randomly. Depends on you what you want to take. When I say number of sample in child nodes can be more than 1000. Why not? Because data ही 1000 है, उससे ज़्यादा कैसे हो सकते हैं? Parent node can be more than 1000. Second combination got accuracy 80%. You try third combination to 150 and 30. Got, let's say 76%. Try fourth combination 3, 210. Okay, then 70, 65. Get accuracy 82%. Which combination have the highest accuracy? So can I say this combination is the best for me? Clear? अभी ये combination guys हमने decide किया था randomly one by one. Okay. If you want to run this entire thing in one loop, this method is called as greed search. They are greedy people, na? Give them more, they want more. First combination, second combination, third combination, fourth combination. Given all four combination, he will search the best one. And using this best one, we will get output for. ये clear हो गया? Any question, please ask. Step number 3 done. वो accuracy आई है मॉडल के 85 हो सकता है, 90, 89 हो सकता है. Whatever we get, I have written it. You will select which is highest and come close to 90, but more than 90 is overfitting, so we cannot select that one. Clear? Any question, please ask. So trying multiple combination is called greed. Finding from multiple combination the best one, that is called greed search. ये clear हो गया? For your convenience, if you want to draw or want to write, you can write. You can write branch. अभी कितने branch है हमारे पास? So can we take maximum branches 5? pruning का मतलब क्या है? कट करना ना. 4 में से किसी को कट करोगे, तो 5वां नहीं है तो कटोगे किसको? ये क्लियर हो गया? नो योर क्वेश्चन. व्हाट द आंसर? आंसर मिल गया क्वेश्चन का? गाइस एनी क्वेश्चन प्लीज आस्क. आप कितने नंबर सोच सकते हो? फाइनाइट. हाँ, आपके ऊपर है, जितनी आपकी कैपेसिटी है और आपके लैपटॉप की. 2 लाख तक जा सकते हैं कॉम्बिनेशन. प्रोग्राम का नाम क्या है? कॉन्सेप्ट का नाम भी ग्रिड सर्च है. पाइथन में कोड का नाम भी ग्रिड सर्च है. लेकिन बैकएंड में कैसे हो वो पता होना चाहिए ना. ये पहले आप प्रूनिंग करो. प्रूनिंग के बाद प्रूनिंग करने के टाइम पे क्या करो, आप ये वाला स्टेप लिख दो साथ में. देखिए, राइट अलॉन्ग विद प्रूनिंग, ब्लू कलर, ये ऐसे लिखो. ठीक है, फिर ये हो जाएगा, दिस इज योर कॉन्सेप्ट नेम, ग्रिड सर्च। फिर जब ग्रिड सर्च लिखोगे तो आपको क्या लिखना है, चारों, और उसमें से ये वाला बेस्ट है। Done? Getting output for each and every one. Just cross check. You may get error some places. Is getting error anyone? Getting all the trees? Shall I? Shall I? On screen. Guys, first I'll explain the data. Here we have predict the behavior to retain the customer. What is the meaning of retain, guys? Wapas. So we need to predict the behavior so that we can call the customer back to our company. Okay. Example, let's say if you book any product from Zomato, okay, and they have to deliver the product on time, and they deliver 30 minutes late, how you will feel? Happy or unhappy? You'll give a bad feedback and you will unhappy with the service. Tomorrow you will come to Zomato or you go to Swiggy. So can I say customer change their decision and move to another company? Yes. Same way, for example, if you're using a Vodafone SIM card and you're getting multiple times internet issue, call issue, what you will do? Change to Jio. So can I say customer have a liberty to change the network? Our objective is to make sure customer should come back. Means any customer who apply for MNP, mobile number portability, The company get triggered if this customer is changing the network. So company calls you, give you offer and try to retain back. Don't go to Geo till you're clear. So you can analyze all the relevant customers data and develop a focused customer retention program. So we need to build a model which can predict also and tell me which customer are leaving. Everyone is not leaving, but people who are leaving, in within that, which most of the customers are whom? Most are males or most are females. If most are male, what the issue they face? So that tomorrow I can work on that product. Till you're clear. I have taken a data set called as a churn, one of the famous data guys, where people use as an example of Vodafone SIM card. We have customer ID. First person is female. She is not a senior citizen. Not senior citizen means youth. Yes, she is a prime customer. Dependent, no, she used to recharge own self. How many months last she is using a SIM card? 1 month. Phone service taken, full landline phone service? No. Multiple SIM card or multiple phone network they have taken? No. Which network they use? DSL. Nowadays we have 4G, 5G, which is called as fiber opticals. 3G and so on called as the DSL network. Whether you have taken any online security or not. Okay. Online security means you take any antivirus to secure. Device protection means insurance policy. Who take guys insurance policy? iPhone people or Redmi people? Why? Costly OPN. Tech support means how many number of times you call to call center for a query. Whether you taken any OTT platform or not, TV or movies. How you do recharge month to month or yearly. Whether you prefer a bill paperless. Paperless means on email. People who say no, they will get hard copy. How they make the payment? She is using a SIM card from last 1 month. Then recharge of $29. Total done 29. Done as no. No means he will or she will not change the network. So when a customer changes the decision from Vodafone to Jio, that change of movement is called as a churn. Or when you change from Zomato to Swiggy, that changing movement is called as a churn. So we are doing churn analytics. Clear? Yes means he wants to move it. Now let's say second customer we have Akash. From last how many months he is using a SIM card, guys? 34. And this is, let's say we have Nikita. First customer is Nikita. Second customer is Akash. According to you, who will change the network faster, guys? आपने सिम कार्ड 1 महीने पहले लिया, ओके? जियो ने दिसंबर में अनाउंस किया नेटवर्क इज फ्री, कॉलिंग इज फ्री. Who will change fast, Akash or Nikita? लेकिन Akash number is distributed to everyone, na? He is using from last 3 years. And Nikita is using from where? From how many? 1 month. Who has more contact of that number? Akash as compared to Nikita. So Nikita have a clear mindset, he can change if he's getting free for 6 months. Clear? Prior guys, when you change your MNP, when you change your number, it takes 3 days. Thing like Akash is a businessman. Can he burn the network for 3 days? What will they? I'll pay more. Because phone is a business for me. Clear? Can I say tenure also play a very critical role? What's the meaning of churn? Yes and no. Anywhere customer change. For example, you go to Amazon, you purchase something, not deliver on time. Can we go to Flipkart? Whenever the customer changes their decision making, that's become your churn analytics. Clear? We'll do data pre-processing. which is called as a PGA. We remove the column which is not needed for us, which is your customer ID. In your case, this code is written below. I just copy pasted above. I drop the customer ID. Then I check info of data. How many number of columns we have? 20. Okay. Let me run this. So we have 20 columns. Number of rows, 7,043. Some variable are coming as integer, some are coming as object. Okay. Here we have churn, yes and no. So it's a regression task or classification task. Now for decision tree, if you're doing classification for Y, okay, what type of data we required for X? Book kholo or photo. In decision tree for classification, what type of data we require? X can be category also, X can be numbers also. But Y has to be category. Ye clear ho gaya? Now guys, total charges is one column. Okay, if you look at it is number or category. Ye numbers hai na? But what happened? The way software read this total charges as object. Can I say the way software read is wrong? Ye clear ho gaya? We try to compute mean also not possible. Means software is reading total charges as object data. Okay, it may possible over there we may have hashtag or we may have space. Okay, so what I'm doing in employee table, column name, total charges, I want to replace if there is a space with map. That means missing values. Is means check. As means converting. Converting the data type to float. Assigning in same data, same column. Again, we check the info guys. Now cross check this. Can I say for float data, can we compute mean? So we can also compute the mean and median. Second, we check missing values again if present or not. Do we have missing present guys? How many rows? Total how many rows we have? 11 divided by 7,000. How much percent? Huh? 1% भी नहीं होगा sir. 0.0. Can I say very few customers are missing? So now it is your opinion, either delete or replace. When a percentage ratio is less than very less, you are allowed to delete. In employee, column name, total charges, fill NA. Means wherever there is a missing data, I need to fill with mean of same column. Means what I'm doing for employee, total charges, I'm computing mean. And the mean value I'm replacing with blank value. Again, I check the missing. Do we have missing values treated guys? Last example I have taken for category data, missing values. We replace with mode. Here we replace with mean. Clear? Again, we check the describe. We get all mean, median, mode, and so on. Shall I? This is employee head data just to see it. Guys, if you see, there is a column called online security. In online securities, we have yes also, no also, and many levels. So let's check the levels. Data set name, employee, column name, and securities. Give me value counts. Ascending as false. ये clear हो गया? How many are no? How many are yes? Right. And someone said no internet service. If you have not taken any online securities, indication you have not taken the service also. So what I have done, I'm just replacing this no internet service with जहां पे भी no internet service written है, we just replacing with no. So 1526 plus 3498. How much? An employee, I mean, online securities, going to replace. Replace with no. Sign in, same data, same column. ये clear हो गया guys? Verify हो गया numbers? This is called data making. Okay, we are just making data ready for analysis. Now guys, wherever there is for every column, we have done for security. Same thing we have in backup, protection, tech support, TV streaming. So wherever we have written like this, we just replace with no. Till you clear. So we have done treatment for each and every column. Need to explain same line, guys. See, same code I have written. Just replace the column name. Next, we need to check outliers. Do we have outliers, guys? If you want to check one by one, you can also verify. So we have checking for another variable is monthly charges. Do we have? Yes. Either you have outlier in one column or 10 columns or 100 columns. You have to treat outliers. You have missing values in one column or two columns or 10 columns. You have to treat missing values for all columns. Till clear, guys? Next, we need to cross-check how much % bad customers we have. So in employee, you know bad rate. In bank, we have good and bad. Here we have churn. So we call churn rate. Customer changing network, we cannot say he's a bad. He wants to change his opinion. So here we say how many yes we have? 1869. How many no we have? So 1869 divided by total number of count. How much %? So out of 7,000 data, 26% of my customer is changing from Vodafone to Jio. Got the point? We can convert this into the graph. This is your pie chart. So here we say that 26% is a churn rate of our company. Means 26% customer are changing their network. This happen in reality also, guys. Many people change now because of the Jio free services. Next. There is how many we have bad yes customer who change? 1869. How much %? 26%. Now I'm trying to do a basic churn analysis, or we call trend analysis. I know that 1869 customer are changing. They have applied for MLP. What is the reason why they apply? Okay. So I've taken subset data of churn. Yes. Means out of total data, I have taken only yes data. ये clear हो गया? The number matches. I just make the sunburst chart. When I say senior citizen, no. Indication youth. The people who are youth, people who use fiber opticals, who do monthly recharge, and make the payment by electronics, there are a maximum number of customers moving. So here is the pain of Vodafone company. Example. So can I say Jio has come up with fiber opticals better for youth people, high rate speed? What's the reason guys why it's booming now? Because they target for youth, they targeted fiber opticals. Do we have monthly recharge now? You do monthly recharge or you do quarterly? Yearly okay na? Because every month when you keep on doing recharge, you start searching for which is giving the best offer. So we don't want this deviation. The Jio start quarter to quarter. So we can say as an interpretation to business, the citizen, the customer who are living are youth people who use fiber opticals, do monthly to run recharge and make payment electronics. So this is the difficulties for our company. So improve this, customer will come back. Otherwise, they will never come. Got the point, guys? Agree. So when you target on this area where to improve, the customer will come back. Till you clear. Shall we move to the next one? This is called trend analysis, right? This is optional for you. It is not mandatory. Okay. Now we break data into two parts, which is number data separate and category data separate. Need to explain this code again? Anybody want to explain? So data num, will erase this. So guys, we have a main file called as employee, in which if you want here, AC off है. Employee num will have all numbers variable. Employee dummies will have all category variable. All numbers, which is employee num. Okay. Then I've taken employee dummies. Guys, here we cannot use directly a machine learning on category. We need to convert into numbers using label encoder. How label encoder works? Okay, but how it converts? What is the order of converting? What is the order of converting? Ascending order. So if we have two levels, 0, 1, 3 levels, 0, 1, 2. Okay. So employee dummies, apply, label encoder, fit means apply, transform means convert the data, assigning in employee dummies. Clear? Next, we combining employee num and employee dummies to make employee combine. So first we change from category to numbers. Then we combine these two files, call as employee combine. So this is our main data, guys. And this, once your data is ready, what we do? Data partition. So this is your data ready for you, where we have categories and where we have numbers. Need to explain data partition again. So we split data into two ratios, 70 and 30. Your test size is 0.3 means 10 become 70%. Random state is used to save our data. Clear? ये एक लोकेशन है जहां पे हम डेटा को सेव करते हैं. Any question? हाँ. ये डेटा है. हाँ. उसको एक्सेस नहीं कर सकते आप. वो एक इनबिल्ट स्टोर है. You cannot access. दूसरी फाइल मीन्स आपका क्वेश्चन नहीं समझ पा रहा हूँ सर. हाँ, दोनों डेटा में कॉलम अलग है ना, तो कंबाइन कैसे करोगे? एक साथ देखना है ना, तो दोनों को रन करो, दोनों फाइल हम देख सकते हो. दोनों डेटा को एक पाइथन के फाइल में लिख लीजिए आप. Then you just write print underscore print train will able to see it. You can see from here only. You cannot go outside Jupyter and check. वो आप नहीं कर सकते. हाँ, शफल नहीं होता तभी रैंडम स्टेट यूज होता है. आप लोग समझ रहे हो क्वेश्चन? Okay. So we are importing a function called as tree. Inside tree, guys, there are many types of tree. We have learned which method? Decision tree. Regressor or classifier? Classifier. Why I have taken classifier, guys? Because why is category. Okay. अगर मुझे category नहीं मुझे regressor चाहिए, तो why tree decision tree? Regressor. When y is number, we go for regressor. When y is category, we go classifier. ये clear है? Assigning in DT. So our model name is DT. DT dot fit on extend and right train. How many rows we have in train, guys? 70% data. You check your shape of this. How many rows? 4930. I'm combining Y train and X train to make train data. This I'm first make a train data. Till it clear. Now from train data, give me all the column names. Starting from first column onwards. Next start from 0. Churn becomes 0. Tenure become 1. So starting from 1, give all the names. Do we have column name, guys? Yes or no? Column name क्या है यहाँ पे? Second column name. Third column name. Total charges. Can I say this code will give you all the column names? Can we convert to which format? ये clear हो गया, guys? Assigning it which variable? Independent variable. हमने एक वेरिएबल बनाया जहां पे सारे कॉलम्स के नाम हैं. ये क्लियर हो गया? In churn we have two things, yes or no. Yes means he left, no means still a customer. Now I want to make a tree. I want to make plotted tree. Tree is my package. Function name is plot tree. Model name is DT. What we have an independent variable, guys? Column names. Column name will go in features name. Class name is your target variable, which is churn, which have yes and no. Filled with color. Do we have color over here? Okay. Node ID number through. You see, guys, ID number 0, ID number 1. So give me node number also. And font size as 2. Font means what we have written inside the box. Total how many rows we have in train? 4930. Out of 4930, guys, if you remember, we write like this way in Python decision tree. Square box. First we write for. If you write 4, 0, what is the meaning of this? No or how many? 4. Yes or how many? How many no we have? How many yes we have? Who is the majority? That's the reason class comes as no. Gain value. Which variable we use? So contract is your root node. इसका node number क्या है? 0. ये clear हो गया? Easy to read this tree, guys. Very jungle tree. Okay. Difficult to understand only. Then question comes how to explain. So as a creator, same tree will be very huge in size, and also it will give you high accuracy. Okay. High accuracy means overfitting. What is the range of overfitting, guys? Above 90. So let's check. This is your train data. DT is your model. I say predict for X train. In the train data, make a new column called predicted. ये clear हो गया? Now, how we check accuracy in classification? Confusion matrix. I make confusion matrix for predicted versus actuals. How we check the accuracy? 3616 plus 1303 divided by total number. How much percent, guys? 99.8. Round off. Can we call overfitting? If overfitting happens, another way of confirmation. Number of rows. Now can I say it's overfitting? To control overfitting, what we do? Pruning. How many steps we have in pruning? 3. What are 3? Minimum number of sample in parent node, child nodes, and maximum branches. So model improvement by pruning method. Layman language we call cut. What remains same, guys? I want to use tree. Which tree? Decision tree classifier. Method use for splitting is Guinea. By default is Guinea, guys. If you do not write also, it will use Guinea only. Minimum sample leave. Leave are called as child nodes. How many I need? 200. Can I write any other number? How many sample you need for parent node? Anyone? How many data we have in training? 4930. Give any combination, guys. तो कितनी स्प्लिट होंगे? 2 ही होंगे ना फिर. 2 ही स्प्लिट चाहिए सर. So your number of sample, number of training data is equal to number of parent node. 4930. उतना तो आपका डेटा है ना सर. 4930 आपने बोला है. पैरेंट नोड में कितने सैंपल चाहिए ये क्वेश्चन है. 4880. माय क्वेश्चन गाइस, याद है हमने पैरेंट नोड पढ़ा था. हमने एक नंबर्स लिखे थे, चाइल्ड नोड्स के नंबर लिखे थे, ब्रांच के नंबर्स हमने लिखे थे. दैट नंबर यू हैव टू गिव टू मी. Now my question for you, can number of parent node, number of sample in parent node can be more than root node? कितना डेटा होगा रूट नोड में? आपने कितना डिफाइन किया? कम है? Close to? Okay. If I take parent node is this one, so root node से split होगा, second हो जाएगा. Any other number? 500. So you define as 500. Child node has 50. ये clear हो गया? How many branches you need? 10 branches read कर पाओगे? हाँ, try करते हैं. Same कोड आ गई, no change in. Okay. First branch. What is node number? 0. First branch, second branch, third branch, fourth branch, fifth branch. Can you make 10? No. So the combination which you have taken is not giving us 10 branches. So if you want, you can try with 200. May possible this may give you first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. You want to read? How many branches have taken? 3. First branch, second branch, third branch. Clear, guys? Now this is readable. Always make a tree such a way that you can explain to business person. Okay, you make 40,000 branches and then you go to explain him, he will give you 2 minutes. Business person never give you time. वो try करें एक बार. Because we get overfitting guys, that's the reason we go for high P. Okay. एक बार ये tree लेते हैं, ठीक है? I'll give answer to your question. Can I say this is done with respect to pruning concept? Accuracy we are getting over here. Now let's check for this. DT is your model because after pruning also guys I keep the same name, okay? The DT only. So DT dot predict for extreme. In the train data, make a new column called predicted, okay? And make confusion matrix for predicted and shown. Data set name train. So the formula is 3373 plus 509 divided by total number of rows. How much controllable? Got the answer? Can I say we reduce the accuracy, guys? Can I round up to 79%? Overfitting is controlled. Number of rows are how many? 930. Accuracy 39%. Proven. We done with one combination. Can we try different combination? What do you say? Yes, anyone please. 60. Let me write first for you. ये कितना था combination? 50, 200 and 3 branch. You say 60, yes, continue. 150, 4 branches. I just run the model. I'll make tree. Tree should have 4 branches. I will copy this. Do we have 4 branches? Combination which we have taken is 60. DT dot predict for X. Okay, we have predicted value. Now I have to make confusion matrix for train data. I have taken predicted and actual chart. Number get modified. How much? If we round off to become, this is better. Prior we get 7. Same way, can we try another combination? We keep on trying the combination until we get the best one. Till clear. We will go with this one guys now because we select this one. ये clear हो गया? Anything आएगा ना? I will teach you how to read this. Currently, I'm teaching how pruning works, how pruning control overfitting. I'll teach you how to read the tree also. Okay. Now, to predict for test data, we have X test and Y test. So we make test. Okay. Then DT is our model. Predict for X test. In the test, make a new column called predict. Yes, if you see prior, we do not have predicted one. Now, after running this, we will be get the compare prior, last is turn. Now we have predicted. What is the value? 1, 4, 0.06. How much percent? Bad. Model is good or bad? Good. Model is good. And the performance of model and test data is accuracy. And this was your testing accuracy. Okay. Now, next point, I teach you something known as great research. Instead of doing manually, or want me to repeat? I'm asking you. Pruning clear हो गया? Now, within pruning, we'll apply research. Function name from scalar. I want to select the model, the best model within function grid search. Okay. So write your combination guys first. 5, 5. Then we have 200. Next we have 15. ये 50 था और ये 60 है. $203. Second is 115, 16, and 4. ये clear हो गया guys? Anyone have any question? Okay. Now guys, how Python make combination for you? Okay. This is parent node. Agree guys? This is for child nodes. This is for branches. Assigning a we call parameter. I need to show you how to make the combination for you. Okay. First combination made by this code will be 20, 200, 50, 3. 200, 50, 4. 2 2s are 4 2s are. How many combinations will be made, guys? 250, 254, 204, 150, 50, 3, 150, 64. So 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. We will have 8 unique combination. ये clear हो गया? हर एक कॉम्बिनेशन को हम 10 बार चेक करेंगे. तो 8 times 8. 8 कैसे आया? समझो. फर्स्ट कॉम्बिनेशन क्या है? पाइथन कैसे रीड करेगा आपके कोड को? आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग दैट. कॉम्बिनेशन नंबर 1 250 and 3. 254. 263. कितने combinations हो गए? Let's try with this one now. 150, 53. This one. 150, 54, 150, 63. Then 150, 4. Total how many combination is there? Now this what 8 clear for you. By running this, okay. which is the best combination for your data? 4 branches, child nodes 15 and parent node 200. This is best for your data. Well, at the back end, he tried 8 combination and select the best one. That done. This is done by clear. Now I want to increase one more. How many combination? 3 to the 6 to the 12 आ गए. Combination try करोगे ना 250, 53, 250, 54, 250, 63, 250, 64. Now let's check which is the best combination. Again coming same guys. Now which is the best? I change from 2 to 300. Which is the best now? Can I say as you change your input, our combination running will also get changed and selection of the best will also get changed. If I specify like this way, what is the answer? How many combination? 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27. Out of 27, who is the best one? Easy to apply the research, guys. Please, your opinion. Either do 1 by 1, 27 combination. Okay. Guys, I have teach you how to make a tree. Point number 1. Second, how to tree. How to make a tree and check 100% how to prune. So the reason for pruning is 100%. Pruning helps us to reduce the overcutting. To get the best combination of pruning, we apply research. इतना डिफिकल्ट है या बहुत इजी है और इजी लेवल मिड now clear for you. Anyone have any difficulties can say. Want me to repeat? I'll repeat for you. 90 plus के क्या हो जाएगा? Combination करेंगे. Change. Any questions, guys? Shall I move forward? Last point, I need to teach you how to read from the tree. I have teach you on pen paper, plus with a different software output. Okay. The drawback of Python do not read category data. He never write the category on the branch. In Python, can I say we convert into 0, 1 category? So which is the first variable we have taken, guys? Let me open the main file for you. Okay, this is Python drawback. Okay, nobody till now have overcome up. Everyone is using the same way. Do we have contract? Number or category? Category. How many levels we have? Month to month, 1 year. Here we have 1 2 months, 1 year. Can you see 2 here also, guys? What is the coding for 0? Which come first? O, T or N? Should I teach you ABCD? M becomes 0. What become 1? And 2 years? 2. Guinea give you binary split. Do we have to split from you? As you said, I'll write that number. You said month to month is 0. Month to month क्या है? 0 है. 1 year is what? 1. 2 year is what? 2. The drawback of Python is, second drawback, it always gives you answer for left hand side. If left side is less than or equal to 0.5, what is the right side? If I say less than 0.5, what we are talking about, guys? कौन सा number less than 0.5 है इनमें से? So which levels comes over here? And how many levels we have over here? 1 and 2. ये clear हो गया. Next one. Monthly recharge is a number variable. Okay. If I say the number value is less than 68.9, what is the opposite one? This is clear. Now, tenure less than 15. Left side. It will be. Guys, I have make one branch just to explain you. Okay. Point number 1, let's say we have one customer called Akash. Akash is using a SIM card from last 12 months and he do recharge of 100 rupees every month. Okay. And he recharge monthly basis. What should be the answer? Hello. Online students, any question, please ask. So we have root node, parent node, child nodes. Any question? So Gauri, for your answer, that is an homework for everyone. I'll give you. I'll give you time. Guys, just write the black color. Do not write the red. Done, guys. For the day.